What? I just dropped it. But funny thing, that's probably what my clothes feel like, because the way that I pack when I go on vacation is I just throw everything into a pile. I don't know about you guys, but I just got back from the gym and I need to do things when I feel motivated to do it. So that's why I'm going to pack right now. But I figured I would film it for you guys so you can get an idea of what I do when I pack for vacation. Make sure you look at pictures you already have from like Vegas or wherever you're going, because you don't want to show up in like the same exact outfit that you already have pictures in front of, like Bellagio fountains or like the conservatory garden. You don't want to have like the same exact outfit on again. So make sure you go through your old pictures and don't duplicate outfits that you already have, or else it just looks like you're kind of recycling old photos. So of course, first things first, you know I am staying here and here, so I have to hit those pools. I mean, look at these pools, guys, they're crazy. And if you know me, you know I love my bikinis, so I'm just pulling them all out because I need to see them all, because I've bought more. I'm all about that like $5 hauler life. So you know we gotta pack plenty of bikinis. Of course, it's been winter, so they are legit like buried in this bag. Keep in mind when packing to have a couple different, like have a bandeau and a strappy, because you want to make sure you don't get those tan lines on your shoulders, because Vegas is all about the sun. Next, what else do you need for the pool? Like you need a hat, cover up, flip-flops, sunglasses. And remember, whatever you wear to the pool party, you're going to have to walk back down the strip on, you know what I'm saying? So I like to wear shorts that are like longer because, you know, thigh rub. And all the pools have towels, so don't worry about trying to carry a towel around. I keep a bag of jewelry for whenever I go on vacation. This is all good for like pool or the beach or anything like that. There's like hair pieces, feathers, fancy, you know, like these go on your feet for the beach, all sorts of fun stuff. Next, I check the weather because it's Vegas, so it is the desert. At night, it gets kind of cold. It's usually pretty hot during the day. And keep in mind, in and out of the casinos, there's air conditioning. So whenever you're packing to go anywhere, keep in mind air conditioning is a thing, and it's often freezing. And this trip, I am bringing a suitcase because all of the photos that I took when I went to Steve Aoki and Diplo and all those, I lost all those photos, so you know I am bringing all those outfits back. Because if you never saw them in a photo, they never existed. I love to pack one of these for Vegas. It has like a slot here. When you win, you put the money in the slot here, and it fits like it fits a good amount of money in there. And it fits like here to give you reference of how big it is. It like will even fit right into your purse. I'll leave a link for it down below. That way when you run out of money, this will take you out of the moment and you'll be like, oh, do I really want to walk all the way back to the room to get the key? And you're like, oh, I should just save this money and use it tomorrow. Today we are on, I think about day 3 or so that I've been packing, making piles mostly. And today is the day we're gonna go through the piles and start really cutting down. Okay, this one is a yes. So I know for sure I'm going to need sleep clothes, got some pool stuff. By the way, this is a new bikini. And it was only $8. I've been looking for a bikini this color for a while. I used to have one, and one of my old roommates in New York stole it, but this is my favorite color to wear to the pool. I also started doing like coats of nail polish to match. And for the girls, this one, I have this app, and I know I'm clear for the month. It's not for another 2 weeks, so I should be clear. But if it comes early, I can always get it from CVS or Walgreens or Target, whatever. So I'm kind of reevaluating. I don't think I'm gonna wear this. I have so many pictures in this. Some of these are still like on the fence. Since it's Vegas, sometimes we hang in the room and like eat pizza or whatever. So I just have kind of like a lounging, like t-shirt and shorts kind of thing. Because you know, sunburn, you don't necessarily want to put clothes on right away, so you need something to kind of let the lotion sink in after you put on like baby lotion or whatever after a long day in the sun. So I always have an outfit for that. Usually I get cold on the plane, so I'll wear jeans and like a light sweatshirt and just keep this in my bag if it gets hot. And then when I get to the airport, I'll like immediately change into shorts because it's so hot in Vegas. I'll put like shorts and a tank top on right at the airport. Okay, now this is where I'm gonna have to cut down because I have all these shoes that I wanna wear, but obviously I'm not gonna be able to wear all of them. Might have to do one more cut. Let's see what all fits in the suitcase. Nice thing about these kind of shoes is they kind of squish, so I can just put them in the bottom. So then I piled all of my pool stuff and my sleeping clothes, bikinis. Then I have 2 pairs of sandals, flip-flops, and a pair of nice shoes. Shoes is something everybody always goes overboard on. Try and pick shoes that can go with multiple outfits because they just take up so much space in your suitcase. So it's better to just have like 1 pair of sandals, 1 pair of high heels, 1 pair of tennis shoes. And remember, with tennis shoes, you can wear them on the plane as part of your airport outfit. So don't worry about packing tennis shoes so much because you're already gonna be wearing them. So even though I packed those black ones now, I might take them out later. We'll see how it goes. I like to roll because I feel like you save more room when you roll your dresses, and then they don't wrinkle either. And then everything else I just kind of square up. Bringing 3 pairs of shorts, that might be excessive, but I know all I'm gonna be wearing is shorts, so. And then tops, I'll have multiple like changes per day, so I don't mind bringing multiple tops. And this is just for like a t-shirt for like nighttime. You're just chilling playing slots or something. I don't know. These things, they don't take up much space, so I don't mind packing them all and figuring out what I'm gonna wear once I get there. And then I start doing the same thing with like deodorant. Obviously I'm gonna need a curling iron, my contact case, you know, all that sort of stuff, toothbrush. I'm gonna start compiling all that. And then I have my makeup bag. So what I'll do is whatever makeup I start doing throughout the week, you know, like mascara and like eyebrow pencil and, you know, eyeliner, stuff like that, eyeshadow, all whatever I'm going to use throughout the week, the rest of the, well, I'm leaving in like 3 days. So whatever I'm using to get ready for work or whatever for the next 3 days, I'm gonna start putting it into that bag. So I remember to pack it with me for Vegas. Also, whenever I pack, I try to take the opportunity to like purge and get rid of stuff I never wear. And like I said, when you're trying things on and everything, this is a great time to be like, oh, this is never gonna fit again, or why did I buy this? It still has the tags, I'm never gonna wear it. So just get rid of it. Use this opportunity. New vacation, fresh you when you come back, purge it, get rid of it. Right now that I have most of my things, I am going to unpack it all and start fresh, because this is the way that I do it to make sure I only have what I really need, because I tend to overpack everything, as I said. So obviously I filled up a whole suitcase. I don't need that much stuff, so we're gonna try and cut some of that down. Full stuff is already done. So, got my bikinis. And then, like I said, a lounge outfit. Just for the hotel room. Something to sleep in. This is for like part of the lounge. Yeah, part of the lounge outfit in case I go to a pool party. I don't think I need 2 pairs of shorts. So, yeah, I don't need 2 pairs of shorts. So these ones come down a little bit longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. These can go. And dresses, I already tried on stuff and I cut down, so I'm down to 4 dresses. So that's not bad because I'm there for 6 nights, so I know I'm definitely wearing all of these. This is extra bra. All right, for shoes, so here's the thing. These are like a casual for while I'm like walking around the casino. And then I have a fancier pair for if I go out to dinner. And then these are obviously for the club. And these are for the pool. So I think I need to keep all of these. Now, I have black shoes and I have shoes that I was gonna wear on the plane. So I probably could just wear 1 pair of tennis shoes. I don't really need to. I'll have to check the outfits. All right, so for this next part, this is where it gets a little more complicated because we're gonna put outfits together and see what I'm actually gonna wear. So that means I probably have to try some of these on again. So I have this cute shirt. I figured this could be like a chill, you know, like night in the casino shirt. Then I have this one for the nightclub. And then here's the skirt that goes for it. And then this one is for the nightclub. This is like casual. This is casual. This is very casual. This is very casual. Casual, oh. Casual, casual, okay, wait, how many shirts is this, guys? Do I need this many shirts? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Technically they're 5 whole days, so I don't think I need 9 shirts. So, 10 outfits. We gotta try these on. And I don't think I need 3 pairs of shorts, even though they're all cute. So I think I'm going to have to put these back because even though they have an open back, this is going to be all sweaty because it's like hot. And I can just see this part of me like sweating uncontrollably because I get like tummy sweat. So these tops I'm definitely keeping because of the color, but I don't know if I should wear just like khakis or if I should do like I think we're gonna have to review the footage. Also, I really want to wear this shirt, so, you know, the nice thing about these shorts is they go, I can put them all the way up, or all the way down, so I think these are the winners. So now I'm going to put everything back into my suitcase. And since I have a suitcase this time, I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup in here, my jewelry, and then I put all my liquids into like a hefty bag just in case it leaks. I also like to keep a bag in there for like wet swimsuits and that sort of stuff. Then I put my shoes and my sandals, I just stack them on this side. Socks and lady thing goes in the side pocket. And I showed you before, I just roll my dresses and stack them on the side there. But generally speaking, the main thing you want to make sure is that your valuable things, you keep them on your person. Like my jewelry is all from H&M. It's like all $2, $5. So I just throw it in my suitcase. Feel free to keep it in your backpack or in your purse if you want, that sort of thing. If you have expensive makeup, you could keep it in your bag. But again, mine is all cheap because, you know, budget travel life. And anything that you forget, you can always buy it at CVS or Walgreens. So basically that's all of my final cuts. And like I said, throughout the week, I've been putting like my toothbrush, my contact solution, sunglasses, you know, things I use every day. I've been putting them in a little pile too, so I don't forget to bring my essentials. But if you need a checklist to help you figure out all the things that you should bring, check out the link below because I have a free download for you. Check it out. I hope you like it, and I hope it makes things easier because I know this is very stressful for a lot of people to pack. So I hope I was able to show you that even if you pack a little crazy, it kind of makes sense because like I said, I put everything in piles and just keep going through it. But you can bring as much as you can fit, but just always make sure you have room for souvenirs. So even if you bring an extra bag or a backpack, like my backpack is basically empty in case I find some souvenirs that I like. And this is how I pack my suitcase. When I pack a backpack, it's a little different, so check out this video here. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have safe travels, and I hope my videos inspire you to take more vacations and get out there and add more vacations to the books. I'll see you in the next video.